that is like what is data, that is different types of data, and how we can classify this data, and then how the data can be even put into groups and use it for analysis. So we have basically we can classify the data as qualitative data and quantitative data. So like when we it basically difference the difference is on account of the way in which whether we can quantify the attribute. So in quantitative data, I can measure the attribute, like say marks, heights, weights, etc. Whereas in qualitative data, I'm not able to measure the attribute. Like say, suppose we have departments or specializations, occupation, gender, etc. Okay, so that is the main difference, whether the data is a qualitative data and whether it's a quantitative one. Okay, and this quantitative data, yeah, is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this quantitative data we can further classify it as discrete and continuous. So discrete is where the attribute takes only whole numbers. Okay, so each one is a separate unit by itself. Whereas in continuous data, it can take both whole numbers as well as decimals. Like suppose we have heights, weights, etc. These can take even decimal values. So these are continuous. Whereas discrete can be like number of students in a college or number of members in a family. These are all discrete. Okay, so for quantitative data, normally we can use diagrams like histograms or ogives, frequency polygon, etc. And for qualitative data, we can use bar charts and pie charts. Okay, so this was a brief introduction about the types of data and how we can represent it in the form of various graphs and diagrams. Okay, so I hope this part is clear.